Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's really important for our financial health, budgeting. I know, budgeting doesn't sound like the most exciting thing, but trust me, it's worth it. In this video, we'll go over how to create a budget and stick to it so you can achieve your financial goals. Understanding your income and expenses. 0, 32, 30. First things first. We need to understand where our money is coming from and where it's going. Take out a piece of paper or open up a spreadsheet and write down your income. Then, list out all of your expenses. Don't forget to include things like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation costs. Categorizing your expenses. 2, 34, 30. Now that we have our list of expenses, let's categorize them. We'll use the 50/30/20 rule as a guideline. 50% of our income will go towards necessities like rent and utilities. 30% will go towards discretionary spending like entertainment and hobbies. And 20% will go towards saving and debt repayment. Setting financial goals. 4, 36, 30. What do you want to achieve with your budget? Do you want to save up for a down payment on a house? Pay off student loans? Build up your emergency fund? Write down your goals and make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Creating a budget plan. 6, 38, 30. Now it's time to create a budget plan. Based on our income, expenses, and financial goals, we'll allocate our money accordingly. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to make it easier. Sticking to your budget. So, how do we stick to our budget? Here are a few tips. Prioritize your spending. Use the envelope system for discretionary spending. Regularly review and adjust your budget. And that's it. Creating a budget and sticking to it is not rocket science, but it does take some discipline and patience. Remember, budgeting is a tool to help you achieve your financial goals. So don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Just get back on track and keep moving forward. Now, I know some of you may have some questions about budgeting, so let's address some of the most frequently asked questions. Q. How often should I review my budget? I. You should review your budget regularly, ideally once a month, to ensure you're on track with your financial goals. Q. What if I have a variable income? If you have a variable income, it's important to create a budget that accounts for the fluctuations. You can do this by budgeting based on your average income over time. Q. How do I handle unexpected expenses? Unexpected expenses will happen, so it's important to have an emergency fund in place to cover them. Aim to save 3-6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. And that's it. I hope this video has helped you understand how to create a budget and stick to it. Remember, budgeting is a tool to help you achieve your financial goals, so don't be afraid to adjust it as needed. If you want to learn more about budgeting and personal finance, here are some additional resources you can check out. Books: The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. Websites: NerdWallet, The Balance, Personal Finance Insider. Apps: Mint, You Need a Budget, YNAB Personal Capital. That's it for today's video on budgeting. I hope you found this information helpful and informative. Remember, budgeting is a tool to help you achieve your financial goals, so don't be afraid to adjust it as needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please let me know in the comments below.